Hey kinfolk, today we're making a Kale Caesar salad, but not just any Kale Caesar salad. We're recreating the viral Bird Pizzeria Kale Caesar salad. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need a 16-ounce bag of kale, garlic, lemon, eggs, panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, butter, Dijon mustard, anchovies, capers, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and vegetable oil. Begin by mincing 6 cloves of garlic. Finely chop 3 anchovies. Crush and grind garlic, a teaspoon of capers, and anchovies until it becomes a paste. For the Caesar dressing, we're going to combine the juice of 1½ lemons, 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and the garlic, capers, and anchovy paste. Season with salt. Whisk the ingredients together. Slowly add in 1½ cups of vegetable oil and continue to whisk until the Caesar dressing is creamy. Add 3/4 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and mix until well combined. Next, in a pan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Season with salt and garlic powder and toast until golden brown. Massage the kale until it's tender and remove as many stems as possible. Pour the Caesar dressing all over the kale and give it a toss until it's evenly coated. Plate it. Grate a thick blanket of Parmesan cheese on top. Top with breadcrumbs. Grate a bit more Parmesan cheese on top because why not? And there you have it, our take on Bird's Pizzeria viral Kale Caesar salad. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.